guys, so today I am sharing with you my Websters Pages A5 binder, and this is going to be my wedding binder, and I'm going to show you everything that I've done to it so far. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I did this design on the front, and it is a design of a ring, and I'm showing you how the crystals sparkle. These are Swarovski crystals I put on there, and the circle is made with Swarovski pink pearls. So I'm going to bring it closer. Hopefully there you go, it'll focus for you. And on the side, I did, sorry for the glare, the sun is super bright today. Okay. I did a charm here that has 3 pink and white hearts on it. It has white swirls inside the light pink heart, which matches this binder. And then I have pearl beads right here where my hand is. And then I have a glass bead at the end and one at the top. And I put it on a lobster clasp. And I had glued this bell here on so it would hang like this on the planner. I have this pen that I made a while ago with a vase to match, and it has pretty rose flowers in the front. I got that at AC Moore. I got the vase at Dollar Tree. I got the rose at Hobby Lobby, and I think I ended up getting my crystals at Walmart at the time that they were selling Swarovski crystals. And it wasn't selling all colors, they just sold the clear ones, which is on here. And so these are the beads I also got from Walmart. And I had this pink ribbon that I just wrapped around the top and the bottom. And I had some pretty foil stickers that spelled out the word rose. And these are the pink beads that I got from Walmart. So I stuck them in there, and then I just stuck the pen in there. And this is the pen. And it has crystals right here. And this is the pink ribbon. And then this is floral tape. And I thought this tape was very pretty because it has the green glitter on it. And then the pen has a top, so it lasts a little bit longer. And all I do is I stick it down in the beads, and it goes in pretty smooth. And so I have it facing, sorry for the dark, I have it facing like this, so you get to see all the pretty. And so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm using this pen for this planner. Okay, so on the inside,